Hello FDLT Year 1 students. This is a reminder about how to access and use the discussion board so that you can use it to post questions about your PDT 1004 pupil assessment assignment. It's been some weeks since we showed you how to do this, so I thought it might be useful to have a short guide. So when you're in the PDT 1004 module on NILE, you need to go to Module Materials in the list on the left and open that. And when that opens, you can see that there's a folder for each of the different parts of the module, and I've put the pupil assessment folder at the top for now because I know that you'll be using that in the next few weeks. So we're going to open that. And when it opens, you can see that the first thing in the folder is a link to the pupil assessment assignment discussion board, and if you touch that, it will open and take you straight to the discussion board. When the discussion board opens, you can see that there are 3 threads, one for each group. You are welcome to look in all of the groups and learn from each other's questions, comments and tips. To open a thread, touch or hover the cursor over and click the name of the thread. The thread will open and you will be able to see the posts. You may collapse the posts so you can only see the headings and names of posters, or you can expand the posts so you can see names, headings and the text of each post. When you want to make a post yourself, you have to reply to somebody else's, so you might want to reply to my post at the top, or you might want to reply to another student's post. If it appears that the reply button is not there, hover your finger or the cursor towards the bottom of the post and it should appear. I'm going to make a post in reply to the post at the top to show you what this looks like. When I click on the reply button, a text box opens and you can see that there is a subject heading. You may wish to add a little title in there to give me an indication of what your question is about, and you can also type in the box. Here is a post. That's just a little example for you to see, and then you can either save it as a draft and post it later. That's useful if you get interrupted, or you can click submit to post it. And then you can scroll to the bottom and you'll be able to see the post. So you should perhaps check back regularly to look out for answers and comments from me and from your fellow students. I hope you find this short guide helpful.